gonna tell you a story about a little old birdie. He broke his wing and he was discouraged. He sat on a barbed wire fence all worried. He didn't think he'd ever fly again. So he sat there and he started to sing. He had the blues, he had a broken wing. He had the blues, he had a broken wing. He started to sing. He said, I might have me a broken wing, but I can sing, I can sing. I can sing the blues, I can sing the melody. I got a broken wing, but I can sing. I might have a broken wing, but I can sing. I can sing a morning melody. I can sing an afternoon with a cup of tea. You can come, you can join me. I'm gonna sit on my fence all perched and pretty. I got a broken wing and it's gritty. I got a broken wing, it ain't pretty. But I'm gonna sing the blues. I'm gonna sing it a time or two until my wing heals, until I fly again. This cat came howling up the alley of the night. I had a broken wing, I broke it twice, and I was fighting tooth and nail. I couldn't fly, but I didn't want to go to jail, so I got on the barbed wire fence and sat there. I sang the blues until the cat was scared. I sang the blues. I sang the blues until the cat was scared, and I sang the blues.